Omelette.
Omelette.
Oh, very good. Again, this is omelette.
Omelette.
Egg.
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 Rice.
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 Rice. Omelette.
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 This is
Rice.
rice. Very good. And then what is this?
Rice.
Rice. Good job. This one.
Egg.
Egg. Very good. What is this?
Egg.
Egg. And now we're going to cook. What are we going to cook? Omelette.
Omelette.
Okay, we're going to cook omelette. You see? What's this?
Omelette.
Omelette using eggs. Okay? Yes, we are going to color. Teacher? We're going to color this. And this is a omelette.
Omelette.
So today we are going to cook omelette and we are going to color the omelette and you are going to write your name. Okay? Again, write your name, color, everything, and this is a omelette.
Omelette.
Okay, very good. Oh.
No.
Be careful.
Okay.
Oh.
Wow. Good.
Okay.
ต้องค่อยๆเท
มันกิ้งหูหัวแพชร
ว้าวฮะ
Oop.
ปึ๊บ
Oh.
ไม่ใช่ปีนต่ำด้วย
น่ากินไหม delicious
Yummy.
yummy delicious โอเค yummy
ยัมมี่ยัมมี่ยัมมี่ยัมมี่ยัมมี่
เก่งมากเลย good อ๋อโอเค yummy
Yummy. Oh, yummy.
โอเคเลยเทเลยลูก เทใส่น้ำ
Oh.
โอเคไหม good โอเค